How's it going, everyone? Today I'll be showing you how to get access to options in Robinhood. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the three lines on the top right, and you want to go ahead and go on investing. From there, you should see a section called option trading. Now, for those of you who don't have it yet, there should be a button telling you to go ahead and get access to it. Now, I have access to it already, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove my access so you can kind of see what it'll say for those of you who don't have access yet. So you're gonna wanna click on enable option trading. From there, it's gonna ask you a couple questions about your profile. You just wanna go ahead and answer all of them. Just make sure you do not say you're a professional trader. That might cause problems in getting you approved. Other than that, you should be able to get approved for option trading fairly easy. Now you can go to any ETF, any stock, hit trade, and you'll see the option to trade options. If you trade options, from there you can choose the expiration date. You can choose to buy a call or a put, and just like that, you have access to option trading. If you want to know how to trade options, check out my channel. I have multiple videos going over how to trade options made simple for beginners. Thank you guys for watching.